Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Watch the unboxing of Adidas Ozelle's 2022 latest model. Today we are taking a look at Adidas's new Ozelle shoes. These shoes are made for running and casual wear, so I'll be wearing them for both purposes to show you how they feel. Adidas Ozelle lightweight, supportive design is made for playgrounds, streets and beyond. The Adidas Ozelle is a casual, slip-on shoe with a modern silhouette. It has an elasticized band for easy on-off wear and seamless knit uppers for targeted ventilation. The outsole is designed with a grid pattern for innovative. Ozelle shoes are high-quality, sustainable and eco-conscious footwear. We have the widest variety of new and unique styles to flatter any foot type, shape, or size in impeccable design.
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'll lose you if I